All right, we're changing the side marker light on this 2010 Camry. Pretty simple to do. You could probably do it without removing the wheel, but we do need to remove the fender liner in order to access that area. So you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver, also a 10mm socket. And I'm gonna start by removing this screw. It's just a quarter turn and then it just pops out. And then we have some 10mm bolts that we need to remove. There are two underneath that hold the front splash shield in place to the fender liner. There and here. And then there's most likely a strip of plastic that runs along here. It's sort of like an air guard. This one doesn't have it, but there'll be another 10mm here. They're very common to break, so expect that to break off. And then we've got another one up here. You may not need to remove this one, but I'm going to, just for convenience sake. And then the fender just slides out of this clip here. So just remove this. You just tuck this thing over here like this. Kind of get it out of the road. And now we have access to this bulb. You can see it's right here. Nope, sorry, that's the turn signal. It is somewhere and I can't see anything. Okay, so to change the turn signal bulb, you can see it's this gray connector here. It's the bigger one. You just turn that to the left. And there you go. This is a 7440 bulb. It's a single filament amber color bulb. And yep, it just pops out. You can just grab a new one. Go ahead and stick that back in. And there are tabs on the side of the socket here, so it does need to be clocked in a certain orientation in order to properly engage into the housing. And then we turn it clockwise or to the right to ensure that it is locked into place. Of course, turn your turn signals on, make sure everything's functioning properly. Grab all of our rusty screws, put those back in. Just like that. Yep, that thing just pops in. Make sure that your fender liner is lined up and that all the dirt is out of this thing. Otherwise, you're gonna have a tough time getting it in there like I am. Yeah, this is just gonna fight me the whole time. I can't go. Blinky McBlank blank.